I'm Jen and Neil, and today I have the ELKIE. So I'm super excited about this bag. I love it. So I'm gonna go through all the crazy from the opening to discovering it, and stay tuned till the end. So I have it packed two different ways, with the liner and without the liner. And so I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. The ELKIE in the color black. I have it packed up. So this is a packing video for anyone who wants to use the diaper bags for a mom. So there's no diapering needs in here, although I do have two children. This is for me. This is all my stuff. So super excited to do this review, so thank you so much. Let's get started. There we have the ELKIE in the color black. I definitely like this bag so much more than I thought I would. It is wonderful. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to use it going out. It has two shoulder straps. I also clipped on the long crossbody strap in the black. I got this on the Modern and Chic boutique. Yes, it does spell beauty with a D, so hence I didn't really want to use it full body. The two straps. So for the front pockets, I haven't really figured out what I'm going to put in here because they aren't as big as I thought. It does fit a small Jujube set piece, horizontal and vertical. So I always like to carry these with me. So that's a really front, good, easy grab item that I love the fact that it's there. And I'm thinking I will probably put more hand sanitizer in there, and then of course a touch-up because it's so hot right now. It's over 100 degrees. This is definitely something to have on you at all times. I don't have anything in the side pockets. Again, probably more hand sanitizer. Obviously we need to make a run somewhere, hoping that we can find it. We probably have enough bottles we could fill up the containers that I do have. So for the back of the bag, so I have the two straps, and then they open so that you can get into the bag itself. I have it tied in a fancy slip knot. I'm not sure about just sliding it over. I like that it works that way. I also have the clutch. Now, I wasn't sure how I was going to use this, but I opted to use an old strap. I like the contrast with this, so that might be kind of fun, and I like that it's shorter than the strap it came with. And then I just have my wallet and some wipes in there, so I'm really excited that everything matches. It's black. I love that I can put this in the inside of the bag or the outside of the bag. I felt like the back of the bag was really good because then I could just grab it if I wanted to go somewhere without all of my crazy. So a huge back pocket. It doesn't fit my laptop the best with the case, but I do have a really large case. So I'm excited that it fits on the inside. So you hear that clunk? That's heavy. So I have my laptop. Kate Spade case. Love the case. I love that the bags fit in my case. Because this laptop is everything that I do, so if something happened to it, it'd be out of a lot of stuff. So it's important to protect that. Hence, I have my super padded Kate Spade case. And then I have my Jujubee set piece with all of my power cords. This is in the size large. Super excited about that it fits nicely. So I just tuck it right in. Again, I'm using this without the liner, so there are no inside pockets. So to me, that is a packs case or packing bag with lots of packs. So I carry additional cords, so my extension cord, and then I have all of my accessories for my laptop, earbuds, and charging. And then I have my Jujubee medium set piece with all of my pens, so that fits neatly in there. And then I have the notebooks. Now I haven't figured out if I want to use these notebooks in a pack, but I have the Clever Fox planner, I have my plotting book, and then I have my bullet journal for my characters. So all three of them, I just have them loose and hanging in there. I haven't decided yet if I wanted to use another pack to have those packed in there neatly, but I have all of those. So the inside of the bag, very, very big and open, and just absolutely love this bag. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to take it out. I look forward to using this one. I'm pleasantly surprised. The website and the pictures that I've seen, I don't think do it justice. The back, just a closer look, because I didn't even realize and thought it was kind of cool. So I have it twisted up pretty nice on the, it's like a holder there, so I could put the backpack straps on. But the backpack straps clasp on and off, so you can use this as the messenger bag. There you have the two hooks, and then the D-rings at the bottom. Now, I didn't notice this as a problem on my back, but I have seen before that the bags with the straps on the bottom kind of poke. However, they are so up a little bit higher and not at the bottom of the bag. I didn't notice it when I was wearing it, but that is to be seen. We'll see. But so far, I love, love, love this bag. A quick rundown of the packing with the liner. So again, the inside with the liner. Yay! Thank you for watching.